Hello everyone, welcome to my color swatching videos. In this video I will be swatching the Zig Clean Color Real Brush markers from Kuretake. I have the pack of 24 markers and I also got extra dark red. The reason for these videos is because I'm going to be uploading a few bonus videos where I'm going to be coloring various digital stamps using different coloring products. And for most, I don't have any swatches, which is quite annoying when I'm trying to choose colors and I don't know how they look. So finally I created some swatches and I decided to film them. For swatching the Zig brush markers, I'm using the cardstock from Flying Tiger. I would not recommend it for coloring because most of the colors would not move when I used water. I prefer to use Canson XL, but for the swatches it was okay. So let's start. The first color is yellow. This is a very beautiful yellow, at least in my opinion. The next color is bright yellow, which to me it looks orange. Then there is orange. The next color is carmine red, and when combined with water it creates pink, and that's why I decided to buy additional red, which is called deep red. The next color is light pink, and then I also have a normal pink. I am not a pink person, but I really love this pink. Then there are two purples in this set, a light violet, and then there is just violet. In this set, there are 5 greens. The first one is pale green. The next one is light green, which looks pretty much as sap green. I absolutely love this shade. Then there is olive green. Then there is deep green, which looks pretty much like forest green. And the last green is just called green, which to me it looks like emerald green. The next colors are blues. In this set you have cobalt blue, Persian blue, and just blue. And this would be my favorite out of all the blues. And then the last set of colors is grays and browns, starting with blue-gray, then there is light gray and gray. And then there is, of course, black. The browns are dark brown, brown, beige, and natural beige. So these are all the colors. I really love how vibrant they are. I will have a scan of the swatch on my blog if you want to see it in more close-up. The link is in the description below. And if you would like to see some examples of me using these markers and other markers, I created a playlist. The link is also in the description. Alright, that's it. If you like this video, I would really appreciate if you gave it a thumbs up. Thank you all so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video.